What's up everybody, it's your boy Danny, and today we're going to be reviewing and testing out this Unity 266 clamp multimeter. So let's get into it. So first let us unbox this one. First let me zoom in a bit. Yep, there we go. Let us unbox this one. And I bought it a few days ago and it costs about 300 rupees, and let's see. So this is the clamp multimeter. It comes with a battery and probes. So let's open this one up and let's see what are the functions are. So let me just, yep, the zoom is good. So as you can see, it has an ampere bridge of 1000 amps and 200 ohms, 750 volt AC, 1000 volt DC, 200 ohms resistance, and to 20k resistance, and an external resistance of 20 mega ohms and 2000 mega ohms. So today we are going to be reviewing this and testing this one out. So let's get started. To enter the battery, we need to reverse the meter, and as you can see that there is a screw. So we are going to unscrew that one quickly. After unscrewing it, just pops out, and there is a 9-volt collector, and we are going to connect the 9-volt battery to it. So there you go. It's a bit loose, but still it's gonna work. We're going to place it back in, pop it right up, and then we're going to screw it back in again. So the meter is just ready to rock and roll. So let us check. Yep, it's working fine, it's working fine, it's working fine. First we are going to be testing out all the voltages and the resistance of this meter, and then we are going to go ahead with the amp bridge. As I already do have another pair of probes, I won't be using this ones. I'm gonna use my probes, and I'm gonna use my second multimeter as a reference point. So let's get into it. This is my first multimeter. This is an Aaron DT9205A multimeter, and I've been using this one for the last 2 years, and this is a very good multimeter. But unfortunately I broke the power button while I was calibrating the meter, so I have to use a 9-volt battery as an external switch. So when I just unplug this one, it switches off, and when I just plug it in, it switches back on. So let us first start with the DC. As you can see, I have a 9-volt battery in front of me, and I'm gonna be this 220 volts. Measure the voltage of this one, and it's for showing 6.82 volts. And now we are going to be using the Unity one to see what the voltage shows. After connecting it, you need to set the dial to this V dash with a 000. This one, this is the symbol for the DC voltage. And now let us check what the value is. So as you can see over here, it's showing. So as you can see over here, it's showing 0006 or 78. I'm gonna take that as in 7 volt. So that's basically the voltage which my multimeter has shown. So yeah, basically this multimeter is not basically for an accuracy, not for professional use, but still it's gonna do the work. And now we are going to be testing the AC voltage. To test the AC voltage, we need to dial the regulator to the above one, which shows a wave in the bottom of it, and I have my power brick right over here. And as you know, let me zoom out a bit. And as you know, we already have 220 volt provided. So let us see what the voltage shows up. It's on, and let's see. It's showing 233 volts, which is more or less like 230 volts. Yep. So as I told you before, this model is not designed for accuracy. This is just for DIY stuff and all of those stuff, but still it's good and not a bad product at all. And why don't we just check it with our multimeter, my multimeter. So we have set the range to 750 volts AC, and we are going to be checking that one out. So here comes our power brick. Let me zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Yep. Now let's turn it on and let's see what the voltage is. So let's just plug it in and let's see what the AC voltage is. As you can see, it's showing 219 volt AC, 220 volt AC. So it's okay. So yeah, it's like 220 volt. It's definitely not for accuracy, but still it's okay. Ah, damn, I just broke my probe, so I'm gonna be using new probes. Yep, I need to use new probes. So just let us hang in there. And yep, it's 220 volt. It's not so bit of a calibrated, this iron one, but I'm gonna take it as a 220 volt. To see whether both of the meters are accurate, we're going to do it in the second part. So this is the first part, and I hope you enjoyed and liked the video. Please, if you like the video, then comment, subscribe and like to my channel. This is Danny, and you're watching Daniel Parker.